Alin ako ito kay Tancharge po kasi ito.
Ay, tansya.
Si Tancharge po.
Hello, subject. What's up mga kabolers? Muy buenas noches, vigentes del Ciudad de Zamboanga. Maayong gabi sa inyo tonight. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening everyone. This is your host, Commissioner DJ Thompson. Brings you the live coverage of the Tetuan Interzonal Basketball League with under 18 here at the Tetuan Central School Gymnasium. Local Cup Richard at Mariano would like to thank our major sponsors, Senator Bongo, Philippine Sports Commission, Ayat Mariano Catering, Zamboanga Bangladesh, the big fundamental basketball, and Samahan Basketballista ng Pilipinas. We would like also to thank mga kabolers who are watching live on our PFP page. And indeed, we would like to thank mga kabolers watching live here at the Tetuan Central School Gymnasium. Our second series for 18 under is to be played between Zone 5 versus Zone 2. Our league commissioner of this 18 under league, J.B. Vicente. This game is officiated by Basketballista ng Pilipinas. Ladies and gentlemen, our second game for series for the 18 under to be played between the Zone 5 versus the Zone 2. It's game time! Hello, sound the very first microphone 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Payment preparing ako nag-send ko ang initial number.
So, mga palanggan, okay, kanati, another was this 18 under, no? Amo aero kontra. Akalya ka na inante, amo aero zone 3. I'm sorry, zone 4. Zone 4. So zone 4 will advance to the finals tomorrow. See, semi-finals ito. First ball position goes to zone 5. Yes, sir! First basket for the zone 5. Ball now with the zone 5. Pinasa po sa running. Kick-out pass. Jersey number 15.
Time to shoot.
Time to shoot. Bola po ngayon ng zone 2. Jersey number 1 takes the shot. Yes, sir. Basket number 3. There's 2 points for Lesotho. Score now even at 2. Patas po. Oy, walang nataman. Jersey number 1 na talo ng bola. Jersey number 1 pa rin. Oy, almost to. Pinasa sa ilalim. Masikip po ang depensa. Binabas muna.
10 to shoot.
Oy, almost to. Jersey number 13.
Foul.
Pinasa sa ilalim. Yes, sir. Basket. Jersey number 9 looking for a pass. Takes the shot. Yes, sir!
2 points. 2 points.
Enriquez.
Goal for the orange. Siko.
Jersey number 1. Yung number 11, nabilala yung number 7. Pinasa po sa baba. Oy! Jersey number
10 to
1.
shoot.
Oy, sumobra po ang tira. Oy, it's a turnover. Bola po ngayon ng zone 2. Jersey number 1.
10 to shoot.
Takes the shot.
Foul on jersey number 15, Enriquez. First personal foul.
Score right now, even at 4. Second deadlock at the ball game. Basket. Yes, sir. Jersey number 5 to jersey number 13. Wala po. Yes, sir. Jersey number 15 pala. Sorry. Papawin na yan. Wala po. Ball will stay with Violet. Zote. Yes, sir. Jersey number 15. In the corner. Oh! Simple lang po. Basketball team for jersey number 9. Jersey number 1, pinasasugali. Naku po, sumobra. Jersey number 15 to jersey number 9. Takes the shot. Wala po. Pero may foul. Wala po ang unang free throw ni jersey number 9. Let's see if sa second free throw. Papasok kaya? Oy, wala pa rin po. Dalawang free throws, mintis. Jersey number 1 na ito, nagmamadali po. Jersey number 1, 3. Takes the shot. Shot. All will go to zone 5. Number 15. First shot. Jersey number 11. Pabor magtakin. Pabor ha, magtakin todo. Once you're inside the team, inside the court rather, no, please observe tapping. Charge in timeout. Otra vez akin, ganang kaniste, no? Between Zone 2 versus Zone 5, amo el contra de Zone 4 mañana. At 18 under. So we are inviting everyone to watch our championship game mañana. Vale el juego mañana, championship game. Jersey number 15 right now. Oy. Buti nila, ball stays with the red.
Bola.
Let's bilog si Kay. Kay, let's bilog si Kay. There goes. Zone 2. Hey! Tapos po. Sayang yun, ha? Here comes jersey number 15. To the corner.
JJ, bola, talo.
Jersey number 9. Naku po, it was stolen. Jersey number 9 ang tanong bola. Jersey number 9 pa rin. Defended by jersey number 2. It's a foul on jersey number 15 of the zone 5. I'm sorry, no foul. Agawan Buko. Ball will go to zone 5. Jersey number 15. Oy, nakakaw po. Double dribble. Klaro. Jersey number 15 takes the 3. Shot. Yes, sir. Grabe ang fans ng zone 5, oh. Jersey number 1. Looking for a pass to jersey number 11. Yes, sir. Bumawi agad ang zone 2 for 3. Takes the shot. Wala po. Pero bola pa rin nila. Jersey number 9. Takes the shot. Hey! What a move from jersey number 9. Wow! On jersey number 15. Charge timeout for zone 5. Coach Roy Seneng. Once again, we would like to thank our major sponsors. Senator Bongo, Philippine Sports Commission, I.M. Mariano Petri, Isabonga Baguentes, the big fundamental basketball and Samahang Basketballista ng Pilipinas. Back to the ball game. Jersey number 15. Yes, sir. Jersey number 9 takes the shot. Yes, sir. Malo, malo. Basket. Okay. Are. Kung na tali bola. Rep. Are. Okay. Kung todo adi taparaw todo adi na tinanti o. Pabor sita todo. Ese para adi. Pabor kayo no pwede miran detrás de ustedes. Otherwise, we will not resume the game. Pabor sita ne. Todo adi tinanti. Sita lang. Nang hindi kita man resume the game yaton. Last touch, ball will go to zone 2. Otra vez, el zone 5 kayo, el mga pansa ni Paborsita. Ya ustedes, ne? Paborsita, ne?
₱51 seconds.
Pabor lang cheater. Pabor, sinta lang. Especially at yung nasa ito ang
40 seconds. $30 seconds.
Oy, sumobra. 25 seconds to play.
20 seconds.
Oy,
15.
seconds to play.
10 seconds. 5.
It's an elbow.
3 seconds. 3 seconds.
That ends our first quarter of the ball game. Running score, 16-15 in favor for Zone 5. Mga palangga, el score niyaton, 16-15. Lamang el Zone 5, un punto lang. 1 point lang. So, gracias ha. Malo nila todo sintaw. Si para ustedes na kawawa na atras na pwede sila nila. Thank you. Taki pa naman Ediaton, a very supported barangay chairman of the first one, Dr. Capo Richard F. Mariano is in the house. Zone 2. Oh, almost done. Jersey number 15. My foul.
Foul on jersey number 3. First personal foul.
Second floor. Yes, sir. Jersey number 6. Point guard, zone 5. For 3, wala po.
Malubat yan mga baterya. Ano.
Hello, sound check. Bola in zone 5. Score natin even at 16. Jersey number 5 to jersey number 15. Pull up down, wala po. Jersey number 6. Pass to the corner. Takes the shot. Wala po. Another shot. Wala pa rin po. Basketball 2 for jersey number 30. Jersey number 40 will now to jersey number 12. Alright, sorry. No foul.
Foul on jersey number 3 na PE, second personal foul.
Nothing there. Wala pa rin. Pero bola pa rin ng zone 2. Jersey number 5 to jersey number
Plan to
2.
shoot.
Oy, shot. Oy, grabe iba na. Oy, ako ng buko. Oy, wala pa rin po. Oy, violation. It's a turnover. Line ball pa tayo. Bola ng zone 2. Ano? Buroto lang. Kakaliente ang mga fans. Number 15. Foul.
Foul on jersey number 3 na PE, third personal foul. Third team foul, zone 5.
Oy, nipis po ang unang free throw ng jersey number 15. Wala pa rin po. Rebounded by jersey number 2 to number 6. Number 6 looking for a pass. Pinasa po to the goal. Wala po.
Foul on jersey number 15 in plan na first personal foul. Second team foul, zone 2.
Three shots po yan, 3 shots. Last shot. Ready, jumper. Yes, basket. Charge, time out. Zone 2. Running score, 2016. Escoltado, 20 y 16 lamang siyempre and zone 5. With time left, 7 minutes and 5 seconds for the second quarter of the ball game. This timeout is brought to you by the Big Fundamental Basketball. Jersey number 14 na tayo ng bola. Defended by jersey number 11. Pinasa po. Oy, muntik na nakakaw. Number 5 for 3. Wala po. Sumoblang. Tira nun. Pero ball stays sa horizontal. Corner shot. Wala pa rin po. Oy, pass break. To jersey number 11. Pull up John. Oh! What a basket. Anim na po ang lamang ng Zone 5.
Warning for penalty zone 5. Foul on jersey number 14, Zamora, second personal foul.
Zone 2.
Time to shoot.
Uy, muntik na nakakaw tuloy. Ball will go to Zone 5. Number 6 na down na talang bola, looking for a pass. Number 6 na rin po. Pass at the corner. Uy!
One.
And one play for
Foul on
Jason.
jersey number 9, Serrano. First personal foul. Third team foul. Zone.
Kaya itong coach no, veteran no. Coach del Zone 2, si Coach Matondo. Coach del Zone 5, si Coach Roy. Oy!
Penalty. Penalty zone 5.
Penalty na red penalty ah.
Foul on Suarez. First personal foul.
Takalin kaya yung juego, ladies and gentlemen. Wonderful game right now. Basket. Yes, sir. Walang problema. 2 points. Jersey number 6 looking for a pass. Pinasa out to the corner, number 11. Downstairs. Kick out pass to number 6. Wala po. Ball will go to zone 2 right now. Jersey number 15 na tanong ko. Jersey number 15, dependent by jersey number 6. Binalik muli to jersey number 15. Almost
Time to shoot.
jersey number 5. Takes the shot. Wala po.
5 minutes.
Jersey number 6, pinasa out the corner. Kick out pass to number 6. It's a traveling violation. You have not forced the shot. Number 15 right now with the ball. Pinasa sa kita to jersey number 9. No foul, no foul.
Foul on jersey number 14, Zamora. Third personal foul.
Yes, ang pito ay pasok. Uy, sayang yun ha. Along pito. Pushing foul.
Penalty, zone 5, penalty.
Penalty.
First personal foul, Samson.
Two free throws. Wala. Yes, sir. He makes the adjustment. Number 6, may talo ng bola. Number 6, pass to the corner. Pull up jump, wala po. Jersey number 2, yes sir.
Cancel lang daw niya.
Oy, yung look pass, yes sir. Magandang assist yun, ha? Jersey number 15, defended by jersey number 11. Oy, it's a backcourt violation. What an hassle be for jersey 11 of zone 5.
Time to shoot.
At the corner, kick out pass ng bubok, traveling. Jersey number 15. Yes, sir. Charge timeout for zone 5. Let's go Gaton. 26, 24, dos na lang. And lamang del zone 5. So, Travisat and Kaneki will advance to finals. Contra con el zone 4. Mañana siya, mañana. Back to the ball game. Zone 5 right now. Number 6 na talo ng bola. Pass downstairs. Oy! Pangalawang beses na assist na yan, ha? Jersey number 14. Pass to number 9. Number 9 takes the shot. Wala po, sumobra. Ball will go to zone 5. Jersey number 6. Jersey number 14 takes to 3. Wala po. Oh, my foul, my foul. What a lucky break, no?
Foul on jersey number 9,
Jersey number
Serrano. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty zone 2.
Basket. Yes! Walang problema. 2 points. Bumalik-balik ang lamang ng zone 5 for 6 points. Number 6 na now with the ball. Oh, you want the turnaround shot? Oh! Grabe na ba? Almost in. Number 6 right now, pinasa po to the corner. Takes the shot. Oh, wala po. Zone 2, papawin niya. Jersey number 15, defended by jersey number 11. Looking for a pass. On the start. Oh, side step ba? Attack! Oy! Outlet pass to jersey number 14, binalik-bilik. Tapos po. Oy! Pag pumasok po yun, lucky break for jersey number 14.
Foul on jersey number 5, first personal foul. Penalty.
Penalty, 2 puntos na lang. Ay mga minutes. 8 naman, next that 9 points. El Avante del zone 5. 2 puntos na lang inante. Next that 10 points na naman. 10 na naman ang lamang ng zone 5. Jersey number 15, wala po. Agawan Buko. Oy, tinapon na lang. Ang momentum ngayon ay nasa zone 5.
Seconds to play in 50 seconds.
Jersey number 14, pinasa po. Wow! Buenas talaga, buenas.
40 seconds.
Seconds to play.
35.
Ako.
30 seconds.
Oy, wala. Ako ang dito.
26 seconds, 14 to shoot.
Ball will remain on zone 2.
25.
Jersey number 15 the count.
10 to shoot.
Number 15 control. Apos mo.
15 seconds.
Zone 5, number 6. May foul po, may foul.
12 seconds, 12. But jersey number 15 in line. Second personal foul.
Basket. Kanina-hina na, ha? Zone 5.
10 seconds.
Jersey number 14.
5.
Uy, may pusing pa. Ano?
Unsportsmanlike foul on jersey number 5. 2 free throws plus ball possession.
May unsportsmanship conduct mo.
Second personal foul on jersey number 5, Kabigan.
So, 2 fingers will be given.
4 seconds remaining.
Ay! Buenas kayat, buenas. Buenas kayat. Kasi Jiraya. Lucky bounce. Ay! Grabe.
4 seconds, 4.
Di buenas talaga. That's end the second quarter of the ball game. El score natin, 39-24. Lamang Arizona High. 15 puntos. Dominante, 12 lang, pero ang matter of how many minutes, abante ulit, Arizona High. Okay, back to the ball game. We are now entering the third quarter of the ball game. Otra vez ang Kentanaki, amo el contra del Zone 4 for championship mañana. So, mañana el Diaton Championship game. For 3. Grabe, bukol agad. For 3. Yung baliktad dyan, score natin. Uy, wala pa. Ay, foul. Sa kabilang dako, di buenas. Sa
Foul
kabilang
on jersey number 7,
buenas.
De Los Reyes, first personal foul.
Jersey number 9. Oy, almost stolen. Turnover. Bola po ng zone 2. Jersey number 13. Oy, maalat. Yes. At last, may pasok pa rin ang 2 points. Jersey number 9, looking for a pass. To the corner. 1. Jersey number 1, natayang bola. Pass to jersey number 13, number 13. No foul, no foul. 2 free throws.
Foul on jersey number 9, Dante, first personal foul.
Dalawang free throws in this row. Zone 5 right now. Jersey number 9 looking for a pass. Oy, takes the shot. Wala po. Jersey number 1. Nagmamadali. Jersey number 1 na rin po. Takes the shot. Yes, sir. Jersey number 9 with the ball. Pass at the corner for 3. Airborne. Akawan Buko. Charge timeout for zone 5.
JB.
Opesan kay kita Randy Gracias con el Beaton major sponsors. Senator Bongo, Philippine Sports Commission, I.M. Mariano Catering, Sambuanga Pajetas, Big Fundamental Basketball, and Samahan Basketballista ng Pilipinas. Play ball. Score 42-28. Lamang siyempre el Zone 5 with time left 7 minutes and 36 seconds. Dito na yan po sa third quarter of the ball game. Malayo pa to. Malayo pa to, ha? Foul.
Foul on Arias, first personal foul, second team foul, zone 5.
What a lucky breaker for Jersey. Number 13, malaking mama to. Jersey number 9. Pero po ang zone 5. Takes the 3. Wala po.
Foul on jersey number 10. Technical foul on jersey number 1, Vicente.
So, may technical foul pa tayo. No jumper, no jumper, no jumper. Uy, 11 na lang, ha? 11.
Fourteen seconds to shoot.
Ang Buko. Jersey number 1. Oy, masikip. Going Buko, Buko. Jersey number 9, Rataw Natalo ng bola. Jersey number 9 looking for a pass. Takes the shot. Wala po.
Time to shoot.
Oy! Table shot ng jersey number 9. Oy, may foul, may foul.
Foul on jersey number 9, Adate. Second personal foul, third team foul, zone 5.
One. Substitute. Score biaton mga palangga 44 y 32. 12 el lamang del zone 5. Substitution. Agawan Buko. Ball will go to zone 3. Jersey number 1 ang talo ng bola. Oy, post to post, oh. Oy, niluwa pa. Sayang lang. Grabe, oh.
5 minutes.
Oy. Blocking foul.
Blocking foul on jersey number 14, Mustafa. Second personal foul, third team foul, zone 2.
What a power before.
Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty, zone 2. Foul on Rogando, first personal foul.
Jersey number 15. Oy, tapos mo.
And the shoot. 5.
24 seconds na violation. Bola po ay mapupunta sa zone 2. Jersey number 1, may tanan ng bola. Pull up down, yes sir!
Basket 1.
And 1.
Foul on jersey number 7, Arias, second personal foul, warning for penalty. Zone 5.
Yes, basket. To the corner, shot! Yes, sir!
2 points.
No foul, no foul.
Penalty. Both teams are in penalty. Foul on jersey number 7, Arias, third personal foul.
Onse lang siya. Still anybody's voting. Third quarter pa lang ito. Third quarter. Oh, Diyos lang. Diyos bulto lang. Lamang the zone 5. Takes a 3. Yes, sir! Mabawi kaya? Oy, it's a blocking foul.
Penalty.
Jersey number 4.
Jersey number 4, first personal foul.
Basket. Oy, almost stolen. At the corner, masakit po.
Time to shoot.
Paling din sa Arab, in zone 2.
Good for 2 points.
Supos na pala, ha? Goes to post. Yes, sir. Mabawi na lang. Wala po. Time.
2 minutes and 40 seconds.
Oy, andyan na naman. Oh! Basket and one. Basket and one.
Basket and 1.
Charge. Timeout. Zone 2. El score natin 51-41. 10 puntos na lang. And abate de la zone 5. Largo pa yung oras. Takipatan na third quarter. Paboy lang lamang kung may mga barangay tanod. Lamang kung may barangay tanod to control the crowd. Kay time kaya tabi ko. Pabor, especially on our area. May mga sige na rules dito. They have to stay at the picture. Jersey number 8 to the corner shot. Yes, baksak ang inabot. Basket pass. Yes, sir. Basket for 2 for jersey number 13. Ara. Base lang. Ara. Table pieces po. Okay, pabor lang ang warning kami. Both teams on atras ustedes. Pabor, hindi now na teams no only players as well as the coaches pwede sita. Pabor lang, los demás andan na picture. Pabor lang, otherwise we'll be giving a technical. Pabor. Zone 5 right now. Pinasabot. Yes, sir! Basket. Jersey number 1. Bumalik-balik. 12 ang lamang ng Zone 5. Dalang may tanong. Ay. Hindi mo na sa lalim mo may tanong ba? Ano pwede nila? Papuntong hanggang sa likod ng kalyo. At yun Orillo. Oh, technical.
Technical foul. Technical. Zone 5 for improper bench recording.
Oy, pabola lang sa Lelio. Kawawa is the team mo. Yung technical niya kanila. Pabol under the fence. Pabol under the fence. Allah ka. Pabol, yun ang makalastimar yung team mo. Pukasan ang Colistedes. Pabol, pabol. Pabol, pabol. Okay, back to the ball game. Jose el lamang del zone 5. 56-44. Isyarat lang, isyarat.
Penalty. Foul on jersey number 4, Nuno. Second personal foul.
Well, pabol siya, especially out of the ball, ha? Basket.
Kaya daan namin. Daan. Ano?
Center now. Oh, seven. Naakaw na nga. Jersey number 15. No foul, no foul. 2 free throws. Free throw, free throw. Basket. Why Voices with the red?
50 seconds. Time to shoot.
Shot.
46 seconds.
Seconds to play.
Hindi na magkita kasi.
35 seconds. 30 seconds. Penalty.
So both teams are in penalty.
Foul on jersey number 10, Arbonita, second personal foul. "26 seconds.
Yes, in basket for number 6.
"20 seconds. 15.
Oy, nakako po, nakako.
10 seconds.
Oy, almost done.
5.
Jersey number 4 takes the 3. Why? That ends our third quarter of the ball game. El score gaton, 58-45. Lamang siyempre el zone 5. So, otra vez Ken Kanaki, amo el contra del zone 4 mañana na championship. Passer, please. Okay, back to the ball game. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now entering the last and final quarter of the ball game. The deciding quarter of the game. Ken ka na? Is it Zone 5 or Zone 2? Malalaman po natin mamaya after the ball game. Go! Entreya! Dali ko gusto yung spectacle. Trevor, Violet! Zone 2! Dali gusto yung okay. Andiyan na po. Jersey number 1. Looking for a pass. Pinasa po sa gitna. Uy, wala pong natamaan. Jersey number 13. Uy, wala pa rin po.
Fantasy.
Uy, wala. Akawa ng puto. Uy. Isarap. Okay.
Foul on jersey number 9. Serrano, third personal foul.
So, maybe jersey number 9, third foul ulit. Third foul. Jersey number 9, takes the shot! Uy! Muntik na. Jersey number 1 to jersey number 13.
Time to shoot.
Yes, a basketball team. On sila lang, 11 points. Number 11 to number 9. Number 9 takes the shot. Yes, sir! Simple. Basketball team. Jersey number 1, babawi na yan. To number 9. Number 13, yes sir. Palitan po ng puntos. Jersey number 11 to the corner. Jersey number 14 takes the 3. No sir. Jersey number 9 to number 11. Number 11
Time to shoot.
to jersey number 14. Once again for 3. Yes, sir! Pasok. 3 points for the second time around. Oy, almost calling. Nakagaw na nga. Jersey number 9 now with the ball. To jersey number 11, under for 3. Wala po. Pull-up jam, wala. Oh, offensive foul.
Offensive foul on jersey number 15. Incline. Third personal foul. Second team foul, zone 2.
Jersey number 11, nagtalang bola. At the center, yes sir! Balo pasada, balo. What a good ball rotation. Oy, probably
Traveling violation.
Claro. It's a traveling violation. Charge that for zone 2.
Zone 2, 1 time out left.
And score natin 65-49. Lamang zone 5. Back to the ball game. Play more. Dari bola yang referee. Okay na. Jersey number 11. At the corner. Takes the shot. Wala po. Jersey number 1. Signaling the game. Takes the shot. Oh, yes, sir. 3 points from jersey number 1 of the Zone 2.
Foul on jersey number 9, Serrano. Fourth, personal foul, warning for foul down.
A baseline foul for Zone 5. Number 14 takes again. Oh! Yes, sir. Pangalawa na, 3 points. From jersey number 14. Point ball was stolen. Counter stone.
Foul on jersey number 3, Napin. Fourth, personal foul, warning for foul down.
So, 1 lang. The next time around, he will commit foul. Gagawin. Zone 5 now. Jersey number 9 natal ng bola. Pass to jersey number 6. To jersey number 20. Takes for 3 again. Wala po this time. Jersey number 13. Yes, sir. Horrendous. Jersey number 6 sa kaungitan ng corner. Jersey number 6 pa rin. Sa the corner. Sa ilalim. Wala po.
5 minutes.
Oy, nako po. Jersey number 6. Counter steal, ha? Counter steal. Jersey number 9. Jersey number 6 takes the shot. Yes, sir. A pull-up jump by jersey number 6. Jersey number 1.
And to shoot. 5.
Takes the 3. Oh, yes, sir. Super din na na. Yung jersey number 1 natin. Dose lang yan. Pwede pa.
Time to shoot.
Oh, wala. Nag-ball stays away the net ball.
10.
Number 6, pinasa po to the corner side. Wala po. Tulad ng foul.
Foul jersey number 7, De Los Reyes. Second personal foul and third team foul, Zone 2.
Second free throw for jersey number 1. 2. jersey number 1 to jersey number 13 to jersey number 9. Number
10 to shoot.
Oy, sana diretso na yun. Hindi na nagpasan. Yes, to check the set. Jersey number 1 to jersey number 15. At the corner, jersey number
10 to
6
shoot.
to 15 again. 15 takes the shot. Wala po.
3 minutes.
Number 1 takes the shot. Wala po. Walang nagtamaan doon. Ball will go to zone 2. 71-58. Number 6, nasa kanya po ang bola. Passing to
10 seconds to shoot.
number 15.
5.
Pinaling to number 6 at the corner. To number 15. Goes a play. And 1. Uy, anybody's ball game pa yan, ha? With the 2
Foul number 3. Napili 5. Personal foul. Foul out.
Hauled out. On
5 fouls. Napili 5.
15. Ilang fouls na po yan? Basket. Charge timeout for zone 5. Hold on to your seats, player. Anybody's ball game. You should have 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Lalo pong peste. 10 puntos lang sa Elamante. Play ball. Back to the ball game. Players. Emplea. Pwede kasi, ha? 10 puntos lang siya, 10 puntos. Match up. Oy, almost got it. Oy, fast break. Oy,
Last 2 minutes. 10 to shoot. 5.
basket in 1 for jersey number 7. Ocho yan ang Elamante.
Foul on jersey number 15. Enriquez, third personal foul.
Ocho yan ang.
13 fouls so far.
If he can make it, is withdrawn. There's the zone 2 kiss. Again, may ikaw ng mga players, association coaches, please, pabor, sali. Otherwise, we will give you a technical. Pabor, sali. Oy, save goal. Bola pa rin po ng zone 2. Lucky break.
14 seconds to shoot. 14.
Ocho era, 8.16. Oy, jersey number 13. Wow! Size lang. Size puntos lang. Mga Pisinos. 6 points lang. Delikado pa. Oy, wala pa ng zone 2. Jump ball. Short ball, short ball, short ball.
14 seconds to shoot.
Mula kayo po ng zone 5. Fourteen seconds. Uy, nako po. May foul pa. Patay.
Warning for penalty zone 5. Falling jersey number 8, Darkantes. Second personal foul.
Ano ko? Delikado po este, with 1 minute and 30 seconds. Jersey number 9. Jersey number 7. Quatro lang, quatro. 4 points lang, jersey number 6. My foul.
Warning.
Mandanay Sinta todo. Ochenetary ka naman kumigo. Dalawa sila atras, hindi ka palimira. Manda Sinta todo.
Ara, referee. Lumamay tayo bola. Papuli lang todo ali tanaw. Sinta Pres, Sinta. Kita manda Sinta. Papul Sinta, ese mga alit mga tanaw. Ese ali paraw na durante. Papul Sinta.
Request iyo, bien caliente ya el juego. Por favor, Sinta. Tiene gente na hindi mira. Pabor lang. Pabor. Ga. Very good. Very good. Continue yan kita.
So, papul lang. Kopi na. Papul, kopi na.
Both teams are in penalty. Foul on Inclan. That's your fourth personal foul.
4 points na lang siya. Tama high of 2 digits. Score right now is 71-67. 4 points na lang. Tama. Hey, pasok. It's got 5 points. It's got 6 points. Size Burgos and Lumamgo Zone 5.
Penalty. Both teams are in penalty. Foul on jersey number 6, Makaso. That's your first personal foul.
Yan nila, Size Burgos and Lamang ng Zone 5. 6 points po ang Lamang ng Zone 5. Still only that is working. Yes! Pasok. Second free throw. Oy, violation po yun. Violation. Automatic po yun, ha? Intention po yun. Bawal po yun. Bawal. So, right away, bola po sa kabila. Sayang.
1 minute.
Hey! What a turnaround!
14 seconds to shoot. 14. Shot clock.
Ang bola po ay bumalik sa zone 2. Jersey number 13.
10 to shoot.
Wow!
50 seconds. 25.
Number 6. Ay, wala.
10 to shoot.
Jump ball. Mula ng zone 2. Zone 2. Bola ng Zone 2.
40 seconds.
5 points lang siya, 5 points.
35.
Jersey
30 seconds. Foul on jersey number 9, Dante. That's your third personal foul.
Too close.
Naman atras.
29 seconds.
Crucial game. Yes, sir. Walang kaba. 4 points na lang.
Timeout.
Charge.
Zone 1.
Timeout, zone 5.
That's their last timeout.
Pabol. Ako ng tarawan ni Sintao Cabez. No duro cabeza. Pabol. Ustedes en el Paraguay, pabol en la Sinta. En atendidas de ustedes no puede sin la mira. Pabol. Nakalienta ya el juego. Pabol, please. Just thank you. Sita lang. Sita lang ustedes, sita lang. Hello. Okay, go.
29 seconds. Zone 5, no more timeout. Zone 2, 1 timeout left. Time to shoot. 5. Penalty. Foul on Enriquez. That's your fourth personal foul. Warning for foul out.
What a intense game! Hold on to your seats, baby. Yes, sir.
10 seconds.
3 points lang, 3 points, 3 points.
10 seconds. Foul.
Foul.
Penalty. Foul on Serrano. 5. Personal foul. Fouled out. Serrano fouled out.
And
Three seconds remaining. 3 seconds.
Assurance. No points siya, elefante. So, zone 5. What a game.
Both teams no more timeout.
What a game. Oh, God. Wait. Grabe mga pancho. Oy, Jersey. Grabe mga pancho natin. What more, no? Manana, championship game. Mas grabe pa stay.
3 seconds remaining.
Back to the ball game.